Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into XMind, a popular mind mapping tool that helps you organize ideas, brainstorm, and plan projects with ease in 2025. If you're new to XMind or just want to get started quickly, this tutorial will guide you through the basics. Once you open XMind, you will land on a clean canvas where you can start creating your mind map. Begin by mapping, adding your main idea or central topics right in the center. From there, you can branch out with subtopics. Just click and drag add new nodes and easily rearrange them as your ideas flow. XMind offers a bunch of handy features like different map styles, themes, and icons to make your maps visually appealing and easy to understand. You can also add notes, hyperlinks, or attachments to any topics, which is great for depending your research or planning. One cool feature is the ability to switch between different map views, such as fishbone diagrams or org charts, depending on what fits your project's base. Plus, exporting your mind maps as PDFs, images, or even Word files makes sharing your ideas super simple. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves organizing solves, XMind is a powerful tool to boost your creativity and productivity. And thanks for watching. If this helps you to get started with XMind, please like this video, drop your questions and comments, and subscribe for more productivity and tech guides. Catch you in the next video.